This is Shane Eagan at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2016 Journey Crossroad with only 37,000 miles on it. Owner took really good care of it. It's got brand new tires as of within the last couple thousand miles. So no worries there. It's going to be certified pre-owned, so it'll give you a 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty on the powertrain. As you can see, again, well taken care of. Let's take a look at the interior. Fog lights. There's the mileage right there. AM, FM, XM Sirius radio. Auto dimming mirror. Also has the home link system. So give me a call, 941-807-3027. That's Shane Eagan at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. Look forward to seeing you. Have a great day.